2 beds, one for the kids, one for us, and Cito got her baby crib. The monkeys here are very, very aggressive. Maria, what are you doing? It is not hard to order something and then ask for a manager and not get it and get the same food back, overcooked, and still expect you to pay for it. It's like, come on guys, and this is not normal. Very unwelcoming experience. Did not expect that from a brand like Hilton. You want to crash an Indian wedding? Yeah? You want to crash it? Alright, so we just got to Hilton Bali from Hilton Jumana. So if you've not seen that video, don't worry, Hilton Jumana will be end of this one that you can check out. It's a 30-minute drive, even though they're very close to each other. It's a 30-minute drive with the traffic and one-way streets and a lot of construction. Crazy 30 minutes. I busted my head on the food truck door. Sada broke like a really big nail. Her whole nail is like popped open, and then the stroller almost broke the truck glass when I took off. So it's been crazy 30-40 minutes, like everything's going wrong. So but we're here. So we got a 2-bed garden view. Now the hotel is sold out. They have an Indian wedding here, so 0 upgrades as a Dama member, so it is what it is. With that said, let me show you what this place looks like and show you the view. And we got this with points, and the cool thing with Hilton Honors program, if you book 5 nights with points, you get one of them for free, so you only pay for 4. So when you walk in, you got bathrooms on your left, and then the amazing thing with this bathroom is definitely been updated. You have a huge tub, very wide, all tile from ground to the ceiling. Nice big mirror, granite tops, shower with the fancy bidet. So the bidet is right here. It's not on the wall, so that's how this one is programmed. And a nice walk-in shower. All right, so pretty good clearance, not bad at all. The bathroom is like really, really nice. I really like the bathroom. And then the view from the bathroom with the white window, you can see the ocean. I can literally see the ocean from here. Partial ocean view, I can see the waves. You got plenty of storage here for luggage. Plenty of storage there. I mean, this is literally smells like it's brand new cabinets. I can still smell the wood. Drinks, coffee and tea as usual, hidden. I like it, giving you more space. And voila. So 2 beds, one for the kids, one for us, and Cito got her baby crib, and then you still got a seating area over there and another seating area over here. So I wish, they should have flip-flopped these two so you can watch TV from there, but hey, it is what it is. You got a nice LG 55-inch, and you got more space underneath it.